Here's a plan for a memorable Valentine's Day outing in the Bay Area, California. Here's a plan for a memorable Valentine's Day outing in the Bay Area, California. Brunch at a scenic spot. Start your day with a romantic brunch at a scenic location. Consider places like Cliff House in San Francisco, with stunning ocean views, or Rose's Cafe in San Francisco's charming marina district for a cozy atmosphere. Explore a botanical garden. After brunch, take a leisurely stroll through one of the Bay Area's beautiful botanical gardens. The San Francisco Botanical Garden in Golden Gate Park offers a serene setting, with a diverse collection of plants from around the world. Visit a vineyard for wine tasting. Head out of the city to one of the nearby wine regions for an afternoon of wine tasting. Napa Valley and Sonoma County are both within easy reach of the Bay Area and offer picturesque vineyards and world-class wines. Consider visiting a boutique winery for a more intimate experience. Sunset picnic at a scenic overlook. Pack a picnic basket with your favorite snacks and a bottle of wine, then head to a scenic overlook to watch the sunset together. Twin Peaks in San Francisco offers panoramic views of the city skyline, while Hawk Hill in the Marin Headlands provide stunning vistas of the Golden Gate Bridge. Dinner at a romantic restaurant. Finish off your Valentine's Day with a romantic dinner at one of the Bay Area's top restaurants. Reserve a table at a cozy Italian trattoria like a 16 in San Francisco, or venture to the East Bay for a Michelin-starred dining experience at Comna's in Oakland. Evening stroll along the waterfront. After dinner, take a leisurely stroll along the waterfront hand in hand. The Embarcadero in San Francisco or Jack London Square in Oakland are both great options for a romantic evening walk with beautiful views of the city lights reflecting off the water. Enjoy dessert at a charming cafe. End your evening on a sweet note with dessert at a charming cafe. Ghirardelli Square in San Francisco is home to the famous Ghirardelli ice cream and chocolate shop, where you can indulge in decadent sundaes and chocolate treats. Remember to make reservations in advance, especially for dining and wine tasting experiences, as Valentine's Day can be a busy time for restaurants and wineries. Enjoy your romantic day out in the beautiful Bay Area. We are committed to producing videos and vlogs that cater to your interests. If you are looking for the blog or PDF associated with this video, please let us know in the comments below. Explore our websites, New Beginning and My New Beginning, representing the digital enterprises that have afforded us the financial freedom to pursue our travel aspirations. You can become our affiliate and earn 50% commission. newbeginning.com/affiliate program. Our resources, specifically crafted for the growth of solo entrepreneurial ventures, can help you achieve similar success if you aim to develop your solopreneurship. Our course package that proved $4,000 revenue in a week is now available as a PLR at 90% off for you to grab and start making money immediately. DIY or DFY settings for PLR are available for your quick start success. Visit Supats for a collection of travel vlogs and blogs centered around mindset and spirituality. Inform us of your preferences, and we'll make dedicated efforts to create the resources you're looking for. Thank you, and may you be blessed abundantly.